I never know who's going to come in with what experience. I always have one or two people that can dance, and but most everybody is new to it. So I am in awe of the courage that it takes to learn the steps and get up and do them. Yeah, it gives me great pleasure to see how far they come in just 6 days. I mean, we really have had maybe 7.5 hours worth of rehearsal. And yeah, and I'm always really proud of what they're doing, and today is no exception.
Money, money, money.